Right, 11T3, once again, please pay attention to the second sum. So I'm going to call this number 2. Once again, my video is not very clear, but I'm going to try and make it clear. So this is 2x plus 6, as you can see, and this is over x plus 1, and then this is divided by x plus 3, and then over x plus and then 5. Okay, you are required to actually resolve this, or rather simplify this. So you can see that it's two fractions. Okay, this is the fraction divided by fraction. Now, how do you then deal with this? The first thing that we need to do here is actually to factorize this part here. That 2x plus 6 must be factorized. It's not properly factorized. So to do that, that should be step number 1. Then the rest, you can just rewrite the rest of the things. So let's go and do that. So we take out 2 as a common factor, and then we leave the x inside, then it's plus 3. And that should give us back, when we multiply, we should be able to get 2x. 2 times x is actually 2x, and 2 times 3 is actually 6. Then it's still over x plus 1. Now the multiplication goes away. It's replaced by multiplication. It's just the principle of maths. And then, of course, these two will swap positions. So the denominator, which is x plus 5, will take the numerator position now. And then the numerator, which was x plus 3, will now take the denominator. Now, having done that, there is multiplication in between, as you can see. So the likelihood that is to happen here is that x and x plus 3 are likely to cancel out, and if we multiply out here, we are likely to end up with 2 into x plus 5 and then over x plus 1. For me, that should be the solution. That is the solution. There's nothing else you can do after that. And that should be the end of it. So it's 2 into x plus 5, and then it's x plus 1. Let me repeat again. So if you can see, we factorized 2x plus 6. And then we rewrote everything as it was before. And what we did after that, we realized that this was x plus 3. And then this was x plus 5. And then, of course, remember that when you introduce the multiplication sign, then positions are exchanged. X plus 5 takes the numerator position, then x plus 3 takes the denominator position, as you can see clearly here. And then from there, x plus 3 are common, and there's multiplication, no addition. So those two cancel out. And then from there, you have 2 into x plus 5, and then over x plus 1. Those are the parts that are left of the sum. So that's basically how it is done.